the YR0243 and YR0244. Biological microscopes are designed for microbiology, histology, and research laboratories that require precise and detailed observations. Their advanced infinity optical system delivers sharp, high-quality images for the analysis of cells, tissues, and microorganisms. Equipped with 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times oil immersion achromatic plan objectives, they allow magnifications up to 1,000 times, facilitating the observation of complex microscopic structures. Their Zeitentopf head, available in binocular or trinocular versions, features a 30-degree inclination and 360-degree rotation for a more comfortable and efficient working experience. The double-layer mechanical platinum and fine coaxial focusing system ensures smooth movements and exceptional precision during analysis. In addition, it incorporates an Abian A 1.25 condenser with adjustable center and a 12-volt/20 watts halogen lamp with adjustable brightness, providing uniform illumination and excellent contrast for every observation. The YR0243 and YR0244 models combine optical precision, ergonomics, and professional performance, making them indispensable tools for modern laboratories and advanced scientific applications.